Namaste and good morning to all my dear children. I am your Brahmanan sir. In this video, we are going to discuss about compound interest rates. And in the in the 7th standard, you have studied about simple interest and how to find out the simple interest, isn't it? But in this session, we are going to discuss about compound interest. Is it clear? Yeah. The first problem we have: find interest and amount to be paid on 10,000 rupees at 15% per annum after 2 years. Sir, here we have to find out interest. That means simple interest. Sir, ಯಾಕ್ರಿ sir compound interest ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು simple interest ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ? Yes, just we are recalling some important things. Before going to start this one, what is meant by interest? Sir, interest ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ರೀ sir. Sir, it is the amount or a money paid. It's the money paid by the institutions like bank and the post offices on which we have deposited the amount. And it is also money paid by the people when they will borrow from people. Isn't it? Sir, baddi kodtin sir, baddi kodtar sir. Like that we will tell you have heard that word. So that is called as interest. And here we have to find out interest. That means simple interest and amount. Okay, to be paid on the 10,000 rupees and 15% after 2 years. Sir, what's the formula for simple interest? Simple, that is simple interest is equal to isn't it PTR by 100? P is nothing but a principal amount and T is nothing but a time period and R is nothing but a rate of interest and 100 is nothing but 100. So here the given data is principal amount he has given is 10,000 rupees. Isn't it, students? Time, how much time he has given? 2 years. T is equal to 2 years and the rate of interest per annum R is equal to 15%. See here, isn't it? Sir, we have to substitute these values in this equation, so we will get simple interest. Simple interest is equal to P is 10,000 into T is 2 and the rate of interest is 15 and divided by 100. Okay, then these two zeros are cancelled and these two zeros are cancelled. Sir, 15 twos are 30 and this is 100. And simple interest is equal to how much? 100 into 30. 3,000. Simple interest is nothing but the interest rate. Isn't it? Sir, 3,000 rupees interest rate. Then again we have to find out what's the amount, total amount. Sir, how we have to find out the amount? Sir, nenpadri enadru amount is equal to principal amount plus interest. Is it clear? See here, amount A is equal to principal amount plus interest or a simple interest. Isn't it? Sir, principal amount is 10,000 plus interest is 3,000. Then amount is equal to what, students? That is 13,000. What is this amount? Sir, ಏನilri sir, ಇವಾಗ 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸಾಲ ತಗೊಂಡಂತಂದ್ರ he has to return 13,000 rupees after 2 years. Sir, 2 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕ sir he has to refund that amount 13,000 to that one. Okay, yes, Pragnamati, that is 13,000 is the amount, student. Sir, it is simple, sir, it is as it is. Sir, what is that? Sir, simple interest problem. So sir, now jigge madibittu sir 7th standard olaga. Sir, here we have to find out the compound interest. Compound interest antandre nothing but a compound interest is nothing but the interest on interest. Yenri sir, artha agilla. So taking one example, I will clear you what is meant by compound interest. And before starting this one, so I will give you one more homework here. 15,000. Students, this is a homework, first homework. Okay, take a screenshot and afterwards do it. Sir, now you have compound interest. So again, I will take one more example, that is here. Find out compound interest and amount to be paid on 100 rupees for 10% per annum after 2 years. Here we have to find out CI. CI is nothing but a compound interest. Sir, compound interest ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ sir? Interest on interest. Okay, ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ, like that. How it is? Yes, see. Sir, I will explain with the formula of simple interest only. Then you will get clear idea on compound interest. Sir, ನಾವು compound interest find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ first we have to find out the simple interest per annum, per first annum. Is it clear? See, ಹೆಂಗ್ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ sir? See here. Sir, principal amount is 100 rupees. Okay. Rate of interest is 10% and time is 1 year. Sir, sir, here he has given 2 years. Sir, 1 year matta innond year separate ಮಾಡಿ. Is it clear? Oh, so simple interest is equal to, we know the formula, PTR by 100. P is 100 rupees into T is 1 year and R is 10 divided by 100. Assume that the simple interest for first year. So SI1 is equal to nothing but a simple interest for first year. So okay sir, 100 cancel. Interest, first interest is 10 rupees. First interest is 10 rupees. Then what's the amount we will get, sir? Amount is equal to P plus I. Amount is equal to P plus I. In the previous example I have shown. Amount is 100 rupees plus interest is 10. This is 110. Total amount must be paid is 110 rupees after 1 year. Sir, 1 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಣ 100 rupees ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ 110 rupees ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಮುಗಿತು ಸರ್ ಅವನ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. That is only ಬಡ್ಡಿ, that is simple interest. Then what about compound interest? See here we have to take this amount as a P2. P2, yes, here we have to take this amount, that is 110 rupees as principal amount. Sir, yakri sir? Sir, because here we have found out that only first year, only for first year. Sir, second year ka but 100 rupees ತಗೋಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. No sir, that becomes a simple interest. Here the principal, sorry, this amount will becomes second principal amount. Is it clear? Sir, okay sir. ಈ amount ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು P2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ the principal amount as usual. Okay. Then time is for 1 year. Why sir? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗೈತೆ sir. Here 1 year. Totally we have to find out for 2 years. Isn't it? Then rate of interest, students, 10%. Apply the same formula, that is simple interest is equal to, here I2. Simple interest 1 indicates the for first year and simple interest 2 indicates the for second year. See here, PTR by 100 is equal to P is 110, T is 1 and R is 10 divided by 100. This 0 get cancelled, this 0 and this 0, this 0. 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11. I2. That means simple interest for second year becomes 11 rupees. Huh? Okay, sir. Isn't it? Then what's the total interest? Sir, total interest is nothing but a compound interest. Total interest. For first year interest is 10 rupees. That is I1 plus I2. Simple interest first plus simple interest 2. Is it clear? Sir, I1 is 10 rupees and I2 is 11 rupees. And compound interest is 21 rupees to this. Compound interest is 21 rupees. Sir, just concentrate here. Sir, he has asked to find out compound interest. Okay, amount afterwards find out madam. On the paid of 100 rupees at 10% per annum after 2 years. Sir, separate formula, sir. To find out the compound interest, we don't have the formula. That's why, with the help of simple interest formula, we have did the SI1, that is simple interest for first year, and SI2, that is simple interest second year. We have did like this. Sir, here T has taken as first year only 1 year. Here also we have taken 1 year. 1 year plus 1 year becomes 2 years. Sir, sir, simple interest find out sir. Here we will get the I1, that is interest for first year is 10 rupees, and the amount what we will get is 110 rupees. So this point is very important. Amount what we will get 110 rupees, and that becomes the principal amount for second year, isn't it? That is the main important in compound interest rates, isn't it? Sir, sir, then it becomes the principal amount for second year, and as usual what we did, and we will get the simple interest for second year is 11 rupees. Okay, then we have to find out what is it. Compound interest is equal to interest for first year and interest for second year, that is I1 plus I2. I1 is 10 rupees and I2 is 11 rupees, and compound interest is equal to 21 rupees. Is it clear? Yeah, very good, students. Then again here we have to find out amount. Sir, amount ಎಷ್ಟು pay ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು sir amount? Sir, simple formula sir. Amount is equal to what sir? Interest. I mean that is compound interest. CI means compound interest, as usual principal amount. Principal amount. The principal amount is extra sir. Principal amount 100 rupees. Sir, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 110 ಅದಲ್ಲ. Yeah, no. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ ಸರ್? 100 rupees ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. That is the principal amount. 100 plus. What is that? CI? Compound interest is 21 rupees. And total amount ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ನಾವು? 121 rupees after 2 years. After 2 years. The compound interest on 100 rupees is 121 rupees for 2 years, students. Is it clear? Sir, bahಳ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ sir ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ರಿ ಯಾವ? Yes, we have a formula. Let's see that and take a screenshot. If you have not understood anything, comment me in the comment box. Is it clear, students? Then here we know about that is compound interest ಅಂತಂದ್ರ sir interest ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ sir. Interest ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ sir. This interest ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು interest ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ sir. For 2 years ಹಂಗಿತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ, isn't it? For first year ಇತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ only 1 year ಇತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ sir simple ಬಡ್ಡಿ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. But compound interest means first year ಏನು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದಲ್ರಿ ಆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. That is called as compound interest. Chakravaddi in Kannada called as Chakravaddi. Isn't it? Interest na interest hakade compound interest. Is it clear? Yeah. Let's see second one. Next one example. Here just I have explained you what is meant by compound interest. Okay. and how to find out the compound interest in simple way using a simple interest formula. And second formula, second problem we have a sum of 20 rupees, to 20,000 rupees is borrowed by Hina for 2 years. For 2 years. Okay. At an interest of 8% compounded annually. Find the compound interest and the amount she has to pay at the end of 2 years. See here, students. Here we have to find out compound interest as well as the amount. What is that? See here. First of all, we have to read out the question. A sum of rupees 20,000 is borrowed by Hina for 2 years at an interest of 8%. Okay. Compounded annually. It's okay. Per year, 8% but 8% of interest is there. Find the compound interest and the amount she has to pay at the end of 2 years. So first we have to write the given data. Principal amount what he has given? It is 20,000 rupees and rate of interest is 8%. Okay. Then for 2 years, and then we have to write T now. Isn't it? Okay. Sir, first method sir, second method. Oh, sir, second method sir. Yes, this can be solved by using formula. What type of formula? That is compound interest is equal to P into, first I will write the formula of amount. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. And compound interest is equal to A minus P. Using these formulas, we can find out the compound interest easily. Sir, sir, A is equal to P of 1 plus. It is 1 plus R by 100. Directly don't worry about that. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. Okay, then CI, compound interest is equal to A minus P. Sorry, sir, compound interest A minus P but we have to know about the amount now. That's why we have to concentrate on both these formulas. So I will write this one here. It is A is equal to P of 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n, and CI is equal to A minus P. Sir, see students, A is nothing but the amount. A is nothing but the amount. P is nothing but the principal amount. Yes, sure. 1, sir. 1. Then R is nothing but the rate of interest. rate of interest. What is that? N. N is nothing but a time period. What is that? N is nothing but a time period, students. Okay, so really T baribekantandivalri sir, here it's a time in simple interest, but here N is nothing but a time period. Is it clear? Okay, then here CI is equal to compound interest, A is the amount and P is the principal amount. Okay, let's solve this problem using these formulas. See here, sir, here what we have to take, that is N is equal to 2. Why, sir? N is equal to what is that? N is equal to number of years or a number of time period. Is it clear? Then P is equal to there and R is equal to given and N is equal to 2 is given. Is it clear? Then what we have to find out? CI is equal to what, and as usual A is equal to what. Okay, sir. First, sir, CI formula nodri enadri, sir, A minus P. A minus P. That is, first of all, we don't know the value of A. That's why what we have to do? Sir, simple. First of all, we have to find out A value. What is the formula of amount? That is A is equal to P of 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of N. Is it clear? By a formula. Now substitute these values in this formula. Concentrate here. First problem adri concentrate. Amount we don't know, students. P amount is 20,000. Okay, bracket is there, bracket. 1 is there, 1, and plus is there. See here, this plus is middle of this 1. Sir, 1 plus R will real, isn't it? 1 plus R by 100 is there. Okay, sir, clear mark now. Sir, R is 8%, isn't it? R is equal to 8 by 100 is what? 100. What is the N? N is number of time. Sir, 2 years kotanalli sir melgade. That is N is equal to 2. Is step clear, right, sir? Yeah. Sir, next step. Sir, 20,000 is 20,000 again. Here what we will do, sir, I will take LCM. LCM is, sir, the 1. That is 100 100. Okay, cross multiply. 100 into 1, 100, plus is there, plus 1 into 8, 8 is there. This step is clear. Sir, in sir, I have taken LCM 100 and 100 into 1 is 100, plus is there, plus 1 into 8 is 8. Clear? Yeah, then. A is equal to 20,000. 100 plus 8 is 108 divided by 100. Square is the square. Is it clear? Is step clear, right, sir? Right, sir. Now concentrate on next step. That is, A is equal to 20,000. See, 108 square. See here, this square is applicable for both 108 and as usual 100 students. Sir, hang baribodri sir adu now. Sir, into bracket is there. That's why I have written into 108 into 108 divided by 100 into 100. Tililili nodri sir illa nanaga. See here. 2 square is nothing but a 2 into 2. Sir, 2 cube is nothing but a 2 into 2 into 2. Like that, 108 square is 108 into square. 108 square is 108 into 108. Clear? And 100 square is 100 into 100. Baat khatam? Yeah, simple. 20,000 into 108 into 108 divided by 100 into 100. Sir, barala sir. Sir, directly 100 into 100 because now in the tables 100 also 100. Okay, see here. Sir, multiplication agree. That's where I have multiplied this one to this one. It becomes 100 into 100, 100 into 100. So, as it is. Clear? Yeah, then A is equal to these two zeros are cancelled and these two zeros are cancelled. These two zeros are cancelled and these two zeros are cancelled. बचा क्या 2 into 108 into 108. Then students, tell me the amount. Multiply 2 into 108 into 108. Tell me the answer quickly. Can anyone, students? 108 into 108 into 2. Yes, very good. That is 23,328. What is this? Amount. It's just amount, students. It's just amount. That is 23,328. This is amount. Sir, amount find out madri sir. Idu bantri sir. It is clear. Then we have to find out CI. Isn't it? Sir, compound interest find out madbekagtide. Yes, Padma, that is 23,328. Very good. Okay. Then we have to find out compound interest. Sir, hang find out. Sir, iddu eradu formula. Apply that one. That is A minus P. What is the A we have? 23,320. Write it here. 23,328 minus. What is the P? P is principal amount. Principal amount is base hazard. That is 20,000. And CI is equal to that. And CI is equal to, find out students, 23,328 minus 20,000. What we will get? That is 3,328 is the compound interest, students. 3,328 rupees is the compound interest, students, for 2 years. This is the second method while applying first formula and as usual second formula. Sir, battery sir, now first simple interest find out matter. That is so much lengthy process. Is it simple process? Sir, apply the formula and substitute all the values here, and then we will get the amount. And so that compound interest formula is A minus P. A amount is this one and P amount is given amount. Then substitute, then we will get the answer, students. Is it clear? Yes. Margappa, yes, 23,000. Alfianas, 3,328. Very good, students. And Pragnamiti, yeah, and Vaishnavi, 3,328 rupees is the compound interest. Is it clear? Yeah. And move to the next problem. Yeah, second problem we have, that is find CI, that is compound interest, on rupees 12,600 for 2 years. For 2 years at 10% per annum compounded annually. Per annum means per year. 10% per year, like that. Annum compounded annually. So simple is it? Sir, what we have to find out? CI, compound interest, and for 12,600 rupees for 2 years, 10% annum. Is that it? Yeah, Padma P and Guru Hiramat, that is correct answer. and try to solve this one. Okay, so simple. First, we have to write the given data. Yes, sir, data P. Yes, sir, P ne togote. Sir, we have to find out CI, compound interest. Sir, compound interest find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ amount ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. Is it clear? ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ? Yeah. Then what he has given, that one we have to write. CI we must find out. Sir, CI na find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. And 12,600 is the principal amount. Is it clear? Yeah. Then for 2 years, time, 2 years is the time. Whether you will indicate N or a T here, comment me here. Sir, for years, whether you will indicate N or a T. And rate of interest is 10%. Just tell me. Okay, that is rate of interest is 10%, and here we must take N is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. Why? Because sir, simple interest iddalli ನಾವು ಏನು ತಗೋತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ರೀ, sir T ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. But here in the compound interest formula we have to apply N. N is nothing but a time period, students. Isn't it? Yeah. So first of all we have to find out amount. Yakri sir? Sir, without amount we can't get it CI, compound interest. So I will apply first formula, that is A is equal to P of 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of N. This is the formula we have, and A is equal to, I will substitute these values in this formula, what we will get C. Concentrate. P is equal to 12,600. Okay, bracket 1 plus R is 10 by 100 and N is 2. N is 2. Isn't it? A is equal to 12,600. Sir, here I will take 100 as LCM. See, 100 LCM ತಗೊಂಡೆ sir. 100 LCM I have taken here. And 100 into 1 is 100 plus 1 into 10 is 10. Square is the square. Is it clear? As someone has answered that is 23,328. Yes, let's see. Nodam sir. Yes, Margappa and Guru Hiremat and Sharada. 23,328. I don't know the answer. Let's see here. And A is equal to 12,600. 100 plus 10 is 110 divided by 100. Square. Sir, simple. 12,600 into 110 into 110 divided by 100 into 100. Sir, ಏನು ಬಂದ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ರಿ ಇಷ್ಟ. Simple sir. 110 square is equal to 110 into 110. Isn't it? Then 100 square is equal to 100 into 100. So I have written 110 into 110, 100 into 100. It is easy to find out that. 2 zeros cancel, 2 zeros cancel. Concentrate. This zero cancel, this zero, and this zero cancel, this zero. What we left? A is equal to 126 into 11 into 11. Clear? 11 into 11. Sir, no sir. Then A is equal to 126 into 11 into 11 is 121. Then amount is 126 into 121. What is that amount, students? Just tell me. 126 into 121. Yes, 15,246. Very good, students. That is 400 and. So what's the meaning of anim? Anim, it's not an anim, it is annum. Vaishnavi, that is annum means per year. ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ annum. Annual gathering ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, isn't it? That is annual, annum is the same words. Is it okay? Okay. Then 15,245. Yes, 246. Pragnamiti and Guru Hiramat. 15,246 is the correct answer. 246. Yes, students, this is the amount. Yes, Padma and Margappa. It is amount is equal to 15,246 rupees. Sir, that is she has to or he has to pay 15,246 after 2 years. This is the amount. Alfianas, that is 15,246 is the correct answer. Then what is the CI? Yakri sir CI bekivala? Sir, he has told us that is we have to find out CI. We know that is CI is equal to A minus P. What is the A? 15,246 minus P is 12,600. 12,600. CI is equal to, tell me students, 15,246 minus 12,600. Then it gives us compound interest. What is that? Yes, Sharda and Padma and Vaishnavi, that is 15,246 is the amount. Okay. And here I am asking, what is compound interest? Yes, that is, can anyone? Very good, that is compound interest is 2,646. Very good, that is Pragnamiti, 2,646 rupees is the compound interest. Yes, Padma and Guru Hiramat Margappa. Margappa, that is 2,949 is not that answer. 2,646. 15,246 minus 12,600. Then what we will get? 2,646 is the CI, students. Is it clear? This is easy to find out CI and as usual that amount while using these two formulas. And behind these two formulas, and it is helpful for finding the other examples or solution for other examples. And so I will give one homework for you. Rupees is 1,008 rupees, 800 rupees, and for 3 years 12%. Okay. Sir, you easy madi tough iddad kodteni sir. No sir, it is very easy. Try to solve it. So I will give you the hint how to solve this one. See here, what is that? Find out the CI amount for 10,800. That is P is equal to 10,800 rupees. Okay, and 3 years is nothing but N is equal to 3, and rate of interest is 12.5%. Sir, here we have to convert this one, this fraction into 12 as a, sorry, 2 12 as a, that is becomes 24. 24 into 1 is 25.2%. Rate of interest is 12.5. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಸರ್ ಅದು ತಿಳಿಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. That is, I have converted this into simple fraction, mixed fraction into simple fraction. Okay, becomes 25 divided by 2%. Isn't it? Then, sir, here what we have to find out? CI is equal to what? So first, what we have to find out? Sir, amount. Amount formula is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. Is it clear? So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ fast ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, time ಇಲ್ಲ. Then P is equal to 10,800. 1 plus R is 25 by 2. Okay, 25 by 2, and here is 100 is there. N is 3. This step is clear. Sir, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ sir? Nothing sir, just I have substituted all the values. So solve it. 10,800 as usual. 200. 1 plus 25 by 200 whole cube. Isn't it, students? Yeah. Then concentrate here. 10,800 as it is. 25 by 200. 25 is the 25. 25 8 is the 200. Sure. 25 is the 25. 25 4 is the 100, and 25 8 is the 200. That becomes 1 plus 1 by 8. And what? ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತಿರಿ ಸರ್ ಇದಂತ ಕೇಳಬೇಡ್ರಿ. It is 25 divided by 200 is equal to 1 by 8. Yeah. Then again amount is equal to 10,800. See, again I will take LCM here. What it becomes? 8 ones are 8 plus 1 is there, 1 ones are 1 whole cube. Up to here clear? Yeah. Then 10,000 as usual. 8 is the LCM I have taken. 8 ones are 8 plus is there plus, and 1 ones are 1. Pakka. Then A is equal to 10,800. Here, see here. 8 plus 1 is 9 by 8. 9 by 8 whole cube. Then A is equal to 10,800. 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 divided by 8 into 8 into 8. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. See here. 8 plus 1 is 9, and here is 8. It becomes 9 by 8 whole cube. Okay, students. Then 10,800 is here. Sir, 9 cube is equal to 3 times 9 into 9 into 9. 9 into 9 into 9. And here 8 to the power of cube, that is 8 to the power of 3 is equal to 8 cube is equal to 8 into 8 into 8. Then multiply these 3 and divide these 3. And what we will get, students? Comment me here. Amount is equal to what we will get? Use your calculators and solve it. $15,377.3438. Okay. Just I will write 34. What is that? What I did? See here. 10,800 into 9 into 9 into 9 divided by 8 into 8 into 8. Clear? Then what we will get amount is 15,377.34. This is the amount. Sir, we have to find out CI. What is the formula we have? A minus P. A is 15,377.34 minus, what is the P value? 10,800. Yes, Pragnameti, that is, and Vaishnavi, 15,377.34. Then what is the CI amount? Compound interest, 15,377.34 minus 10,800. What is it? Yes, Alfianas, that is, yeah, correct, 15,377. Margappa, correct answer. And what is the compound interest, students? Padma, very good. Very good, students. That is 4,577. 4,577.34. Compound interest is 4,577.34. 34 rupees, students. Is it clear? Okay, students. And this is the amount we have to pay after 3 years. And what is the compound interest? Sir, it is, we have the formula amount minus P. That gives us 4,577.34. Yes, Alfianas, that is 4577.34. Correct answer. Vaishnavi, yeah. Pragnamiti, correct answer. Yeah, very good, students. Thank you for being live. And so one more homework. Sorry, this is not a homework. I did here only. Yeah. Now find out, students. Sir, now this is the homework for you. Okay, what's it here? We have to find out the CI, that is compound interest for 10,800 2 years. Here we have to just change it for 2, then solve it, students. Okay, students. Guru Hirimat, that is 4577. Yeah, very good, students. By this, I will conclude my today's session. If any doubt, ask me in the comment section or whatever is maybe in WhatsApp group, isn't it? Thank you for being live and thank you for being active in the group. Love you, children. Bye bye.